Gordon Hay, and I was responsible for translating tonight's lyrics from the English into Doric. I found it fairly simple because Handel's work is quite repetitive, so there wasn't a lot to actually translate, and the Doric idiom fitted the music fairly well, so it was quite an easy task, I must admit. Translating the Bible has already taken me nearly 20 years. This took me 2 evenings. Handel, of course, was a German speaker. He was working with a foreign language anyway, so I'm sure he would be quite happy. And it's been translated into so many languages across the world that why not Doric?
The way folk think, the way folk feel, hasn't got boundaries and can mark its way throughout the world wherever it wishes to gain. And the ilke language in the world has something to offer. And tonight we have the chance to hear Handel's beautiful music with Doric words owerset by Gordon Hay, conducted by Mealor, to show that ilke language, ilke dialect in the world has its own unique beauty to bring into the world, and that's why we have to value are these languages, are these dialects. And we like to think at the Elphinstone Institute, a nation with 3 leads. And this is one of them, and I hope you enjoy this evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, this special note of welcome for this evening's performance has been sent from the Chancellor of the University, Her Royal Highness, the Duchess of Rothesay, and at her request is in the Doric. As the proud Chancellor of the Varsity of Aiberdeen, I am fair trigget to hae as chance of my wordies being into the Doric, so I can bid you a rare necht of music and song. I've nae doubt as unker rendition of Handel's Messiah in the mither tongue will be a special meaty in the story of the Doric and the wise of the North East folk, as well as a grand musical heist. HRH, the Duchess of Rothesay. How lovely.
As you can tell, I don't speak Doric, but over the last 15 years of living here, I picked up quite a few words, mostly swear words, I have to say, but I picked up quite a few words over the way. And one of the things I found fantastic is, as a Welshman, how people are so proud of what they should rightfully be proud of. So when Gordon and Tom and I and Robert sat down and thought what we might do to celebrate this wonderful dialect, which, as I was told, what's the difference between a dialect and a language? A dialect is a language is a dialect with an army. What we're hoping for is you are part of that army to try and create this very special mood to celebrate at the very highest level, the Doric. So, what we have done today, we met at 11 o'clock in the McRobert building, 87 singers from all over the North East of Scotland. Some who've sung Messiah before, some who've never sung before, some who've sung it in English, some who've sung it in German, nobody who's ever sung it in Doric. And we've had 3 hours to try to put together this epic piece of music. If you're coming expecting the Berlin Philharmonic Chorus, you should leave now. We are here today as a statement, and I hope you really enjoy the energy and the passion and the love that everyone has put into this. Here are excerpts from Handel's Messiah for the first time in Doric.
We had 3 hours rehearsal. There are some people who didn't read music, there are some people who've never spoken Doric, there are some people who learnt the Messiah but didn't know it in Doric, of course. But we all come together, 87 people from all over the North East of Scotland, and we've not only pulled it off, we've had great fun along the way.
Well, it was absolutely amazing to be in St Machar Cathedral in the heart of Doric-speaking Aiberdeenshire city
where it just came alive in here tonight. It was quite unique, Robbie. It was a special night.
It was. To me, this is the start of something.
Yeah.
This is, and I'm very glad it's being put on telly because it's something that's going to be in the archives of future generations.
Exactly.
There's no question about it. I really was. I was thrilled with the whole thing. The way that some of them actually were trying to learn to cook Hallelujah chorus in English, let alone doing it. You know, for them to gel together, for 87 people to register, to do this as a one-off. And congratulations to Paul Mealor and, of course, to Gordon Hay.
Yeah.
Gordon Hay is a master at the tongue. And it isn't as though, oh yeah, I could translate that into the Doric.
Yeah.
He had to meter it.
Yes,
He had to
exactly.
cut it into little wee bits. And,
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But it breaks down the barriers, Robbie, which is so good. As I said, so many folk have striven over years to keep it alive and going. But as you said just there a minute ago, it's the future. What else can we do from breaking the ice tonight and making it happen and just keeping it fresh for young people and to know that generations ahead of all us will be able to share it, keeping it alive. And tonight was really, really special to do that.
Well, I think if you said generations going back, you're just a young loon compared to me. You know, but people said to me when I was younger than you, Doric's deed. Dinna bother.
Yeah.
Dinna bother. Doric's deed.
We've all heard that. Exactly.
Forget about it. Aye.
And tonight proves
It's still well.
it's far from deed, Robbie.
Indeed.